If you want to add effects to wallpaper on a Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we're gonna open settings. Over here we're gonna go to Personalize, then we're gonna tap on the lock screen over here, and now we can, for example, tap on home screen. There we go. In order to find add effects option. Now this option might not be available if you use one of the default wallpapers, but I'm not sure. We're gonna check that in a second. So now we can choose, let's say, the animation that we wish to use. We have also some stylize options and others, a section where we have the blur. There we go. Or we can adjust the brightness of the photo. And once you are done, just press set over here, and then if you want to change it only for the home screen, let's say, then of course you want to set to home screen only. You don't want to change it for the lock screen as well, if you are not planning to do so. So I'm gonna also check the created images. I'm gonna choose, let's say, this wallpaper over here, this default one. Unfortunately, it only changed for the lock screen, so we're gonna change for the home screen over here as well. And now I'm gonna tap on the home screen again. Let's press add effects, and no, actually we can also add some animations here too. So you should be able to always find it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.